Welcome to our video on Web3 based health record management system, a revolutionary step towards transforming healthcare. This is Team Cypherforce, and we are excited to introduce our innovative solution that bridges the gap between patients, doctors, and healthcare institutions using cutting edge technology like blockchain and artificial intelligence. Okay, so now the problem in the real world is that when a person visits to a doctor, the doctor might ask him to show his previous lab reports from him or from any another doctor. So the main problem arises from the here. The first problem is that these reports have to be carried on physically, and the second problem is that these reports might not be authenticated because the person does have make fake reports. So basically, our website solve these two major problems by allowing only the authorized doctors to push the prescription reports and lab reports, solving out these two major problems. Okay, so now the scenario in the real world looks like this: the patient visits to the doctor carry by taking on these reports physically. But in our case, these reports can be accessed by both patient and doctor online. So basically what happens, the doctor, when a person visits to the doctor push all the prescription reports and lab reports online. So basically this will help government by providing an efficient tool for monitoring healthcare system and reducing fraudulent activities. We are basically using the blockchain technology to secure only lab reports. And the most important point is that these lab reports can't be later on changed. Okay, now let me show you our website. This is the design of our website named Medicine. These are our patient stories, doctor experience. So basically in our website we have three users: doctor, patient, and layperson. We are providing on hospitals option so that person can search on hospitals nearby him so that he can visit to them. And specialities option. Though I am only providing four options there, but later on making the real world project, I will be providing on 30 to 40 specialities which exist in real world. And these are the advices which are uploaded by the doctors themselves. Okay, so now I will be click on the login button. I will be redirected to the login page. Welcome, we are glad to see you back with us. So basically, currently I will be logged in as a user. You can see there are two options: login as a doctor and login as a assistant. So now I am on the login as a user page. All the person, though he is doctor or user or assistant, they have to provide their Aadhaar number. Okay, so this means that all the reports will be published on their Aadhaar number. The person have to fill on his Aadhaar number. He will click on the get OTP button, and on receiving the OTP and entering, he will be logged in as a user. So this is the user page, Dhruv, named Dhruv. This is Aadhaar ID, and he will be showing, and we will be showing his reports, his history. These reports are given by the Dr. Sanidhya, which checked his blood test, Dr. Bhumika, which performed the laser therapy, and Dr. Lalit, who performed cardiothoracic surgery. So basically, if we are providing on some of the functionality, I will be showing the first one is the search bar functionality. The user Dhruv can search any doctor by his name or his Aadhaar number or any of his lab report by searching on the search bar. By clicking on any of his report, he can see his blood test report given by the Dr. Sunny Dev, his lab report, and the medical prescription given by him. On clicking on the See Profile button of Dr. Sunny Dev, the user Dhruv will be redirected to the Dr. Sunny Dev's lab report page. In this, he will be shown from whose users have taken the Medicare from Dr. Sanidhya. You can see the Prakshal, Tal, and Piyush, and other users have taken the Medicare from Dr. Sanidhya. On click on the back button, yeah, on this page. If I will click on this sort by name and sort by date functionality, on click on sort by name functionality, all my reports will be sorted on their lexicographical order. Okay, so now if I will clicking on sort by date functionality, I will be redirected to the page in which I will be all my reports will be sorted on the basis of date. On clicking on 2nd December 2024, I will be showing all my reports which I have made or done on 2nd December 2024. I will be clicking on the laser therapy. And I will be showing the laser therapy report of me given by the Dr. Bhumika, who is a neurosurgeon, and the medical prescription. Okay, so now click on the previous button. Let me log in as usual. We are also providing the bot chat AI chatbot functionality. In this, the user can search any of his problem is chatbot. Okay, so now in this, the person will type his problems and he will be recommended that all the doctors and the cure of his problem. So now I will be logging in as a doctor. Basically, all the authorized doctors have their unique registration number. So the doctor have to provide firstly his Aadhaar number and then his registration number in order to log in as a doctor. On clicking on login, I will be logging as a Dr. Sanidhya. So now the Dr. Sanidhya can see all his lab reports given to any of his patients. We can see he has given blood test lab report to Prakshal, laser therapy to Tayal, cardiothoracic surgery to Piyush. On taking any of him, click on blood test. Okay, so now Dr. Sanidhya can see his blood test lab report given to user Prakshal. Okay, yeah, there is another search functionality, search by Aadhaar. Maybe I have not shown you in the user page. Okay, let me show you here. On clicking on search by Aadhaar, the Dr. Sanidhya can type any of his patient's Aadhaar card number, and on clicking on him, he will be redirected to the user Prakshal or the patient of Dr. Sanidhya. He can see all the doctors who have Medicare Prakshal. You can see Dr. Sanidhya can see he have given him the cardiothoracic surgery. Dr. Bhumika had given him the laser therapy surgery and blood test given by the Dr. Lalit. On clicking on laser therapy given by the Dr. Bhumika, the doctor can also visit to the Dr. Bhumika's page in order to see to whom users he have given the treatment. Okay, so now, yeah, on clicking these lab reports, you can see the lab reports given to yeah user Prakshal. These are his user checked. Now you can see here is the add functionality in doctor's page because doctor is the only one person who can add any lab report. But later on these lab reports can't be changed. But if I would be logged in as a user, you can see there is not any add functionality because the user can't add any of his report or change them later on. So this is our website. Thank you for watching.